Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play survival in Bloxed. EO. First, you need to gather wood by punching trees. This is your most fundamental resource. Once you have enough wood, craft a crafting table. Place it down and use it to make your first set of tools, like a wooden pickaxe and sword. These tools are crucial for faster resource gathering and defense against early threats. With your wooden pickaxe, start mining stone. Stone tools are much more durable and efficient than wooden ones. Keep an eye out for animals like pigs or chickens. Hunting them provides food to prevent starvation and other useful items. Remember to always check your inventory and craft new items as needed to progress. Efficient resource management is key to long-term survival. As night approaches, hostile mobs will appear, so building a shelter is critical. A simple dirt or wood box will suffice initially. Craft torches using coal and sticks to light up your base, preventing mob spawns inside. As you gather more resources, upgrade your shelter with stronger materials like stone to withstand more powerful attacks. Always be prepared for the dangers of the night. To truly thrive, establish a sustainable food source by farming crops and raising animals. This reduces your reliance on hunting and ensures you always have food. Venture into caves to find valuable ores like iron and gold, which are essential for advanced tools and armor. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Staying well-equipped and prepared will help you conquer the Bloxed EO world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.